there's a lot of frustrated people, like do-it-yourselfers, who are trying to figure out how to reset a triggered OSG, which stands for Overspeed Governor, on the Acorn Bison 80/180 stairlift. And interestingly enough, there's no warning label on this unit, because the OSG can be triggered by an improper operation, and it's only if you've got some kind of service manuals that you find out about this. And even one of the service manuals kind of implies that this thing is very trigger happy. It can be triggered by apparently a number of things. So once it's triggered, it's a lot of work to get it to reset. So today I was working on an Acorn Bison 80/180, and the client purchased this particular Acorn for a very low price, and so they bought it with their fingers crossed, hoping that it was okay. So we had to change the batteries, and unfortunately they tried a number of things which, not knowing they would lose the datum when they unplugged the batteries. So anyway, so the problem was they did an improper operation, which resulted in the OSG getting triggered, and so I ended up with the error code 0 when I had it running again. So if you've got any of the service manuals or the user manual, you know that a 0 is a serious problem, and which requires a service call from a technician from the company. And so I see from all the forums for technicians that this is something that do-it-yourselfers would like to get some help with. And unfortunately, it is a condition, a problem, that happens over and over again. So, well, I suspect that this particular unit that I was working on was probably one of these trigger-happy ones, because it was, even though this unit had not been used since 2018, right? And right now it's 2023. So this unit, the reason I know that is I looked up the expiry date on the 9-volt batteries on the remotes. So, and the thing looks almost brand new. It's hardly used. So anyways, that's just my guess that it's, there's something inherently wrong with it, and that's why they had, the original owners had gotten fed up with it and just sold it for, just for a few $100s for a curved stairlift. So it almost fits the new place, but it's not working very well because the OSG has been triggered. So I was finding that it would not reset. This OSG would just, whatever I tried, it would just not reset, right? So anyway, I came up with a thought. Okay, sort of similar to the thought came similar to Alexander the Great's idea with when he was dealing with the Gordian knot, like 2 millenniums ago. So anyway, so that's what I did. I dealt with it in the Alexander method, and I got it working. So I am offering this in this trailer. I'm offering this technique to anyone else out there who's stuck with one of these trigger happy OSGs that just will not stay reset. Okay, and have the best day ever. Bye now.